Surviving Parenthood, 10 game-changing tips for new parents. Tip 1. Embrace the chaos. It's okay if things aren't picture perfect. Babies cry, diapers leak, and sleep is a luxury. Embrace the chaos, and remember, you're doing an amazing job. Tip number 2. Tag team with your partner. Teamwork makes the dream work. Share responsibilities with your partner. Whether it's diaper duty or bedtime stories, divide and conquer to keep the peace. Tip number 3. Master the art of swaddling. Swaddling is like baby magic. It helps soothe and comfort your little one. Invest some time in mastering the art, and both you and your baby might catch a break. Tip number 4. Accept help from others. Don't be a hero. If someone offers to bring over a meal or watch the baby while you catch a nap, say yes. It takes a village, and you're not alone. Tip number 5. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. A soothing bedtime routine can work wonders. Whether it's a warm bath, a lullaby, or a gentle story, find what works for your baby and stick to it. Tip 6. Stock up on essentials. Diapers, wipes, formula. Stock up. Running out of essentials at 2 a.m. is a stress you can avoid. A little preparation goes a long way. Tip 7. Take shifts for night duty. Sleep is a luxury for new parents. Take shifts with your partner for night duty. It ensures both of you get some decent shut-eye. Tip number 8. Be kind to yourself. Parenting is a marathon, not a sprint. Be kind to yourself. You won't have all the answers, and that's perfectly fine. Tip number 9. Connect with other parents. Join parenting groups or classes. Connecting with other new parents provides a support system and a chance to swap stories and advice. Tip 10. Capture the moments. Amidst the chaos, don't forget to capture the precious moments. Babies grow fast, and these early days are fleeting. Take pictures, write in a journal, create memories. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to parenting. These tips are a starting point, but trust your instincts and enjoy the journey. You've got this.